Right. We've added more fluid, and look, it's halfway up. Didn't think. Laugh, Bernsey. It's supposed to be funny. There we go. It's actuating.
Okay, so it's actuating poorly.
Yeah.
So there is obviously there is a problem with it. Looks like the pump probably also. So I think we're going to be replacing hydraulics, both hydraulic cylinders for the top, both hydraulic cylinders for the trunk and the hose set, as well as the pump motor, because it's really laboring.
Yeah,
and it shouldn't be laboring like that.
Yeah, because it's full of fluid.
And the battery's charged up.
Yeah.
So, you know, if the battery were super low, then we'd have a problem.
Yeah, I mean, the battery's charged up. We just ran it and moved it from the other unit into here. So.
Okay, so I think what what I'm encouraged about is that electrically,
we're good now.
We're almost good.
Yeah.
I'm not going to say we're 100%, but we're pretty close, because if I'm pushing the top down, you know, flipper panels open, trunks open, this is the position that the top is supposed to go down in.
Yeah.
Okay? So now I'm going to put it back up and see what happens.
Gotcha. In the name of science.
So in the up position, it's moving, which is good. Watch up, Bobby. Go and hold the trunk.
Mm-hmm. Oh yeah. All right. And it's trying to. This one's retracted, and it's trying to retract that one.
We have our solenoid disconnected over there.
Did we plug it back in? Oh, here.
I didn't. Did you? Can you plug
I plugged it back in, but we might have
unplugged it again.
Oh, you didn't tell me.
I know. I'm sorry.
Sneaky.
I'm used to working alone.
Sneaky. Go for it. It is bringing that ram down, albeit slowly. Promising overall.
Yeah, there's progress here. So we'll leave it here because we don't need to bring this ram all the way in.
No.
There's no reason for that, because we're going to manually close the trunk and
put it
order
away.
the parts.
Mm-hmm.
And then when I come back the next time, we'll do the whole hydraulic.
Boom!
Hoop-de-doo.
The man is going to do his thing.
Yeah, I'll write you an estimate for how much it's going to cost.
So we're going to get a quote from the man, the myth, the legend.
That's me.
Yes, you. You are the man, the myth, the legend.
All right.
Get a quote from the legend, and Van, it'll be over to you shortly.
Yes.